students, welcome, and in this video we will discuss IELTS listening tips. So the first tip is read the instructions carefully. Read the instructions carefully. Always understand what the question is talking about and how you have to answer it. For example, in the instruction you will have write no more than one word. Okay, so always make sure that you read the instruction properly and then answer the question. Okay, second is listen carefully for plurals: bird, birds, desk, des. So plurals are when you have more than one. So a bird, which is one, only one bird. Birds, more than one. Okay, so let's say that in the listening test you have write no more than one word. Okay, and the speaker says two birds, so there are two words, so you will have to only write birds. Okay, similarly one desk and more than one desks. Okay, third is audio will not be repeated, so listen carefully. In the listening test, once an audio plays, it will not be repeated. So once you have missed an answer, make sure that you guess it. Okay, and then move forward. Don't ponder on that word that you have just missed. Okay, because always remember every question is of only one mark. Okay, fourth tip is lay attention to similar sounding words. Example, Austria or Australia. They are both countries. Okay, Austria is in Europe and Australia is a continent by itself. Okay, so make sure that you always listen to similar sounding words. It can be confusing, but make sure that you always kind of try to look at the context. So let's say in the audio they say they're talking about Europe and Austria comes in. Okay, don't write Australia because the country of Austria is in Europe and the audio is talking about Europe itself. So Australia will not never come in the picture. The fifth is review questions that you are not sure of in the end. Because IELTS does not have any negative marking, always review questions that you're not sure and please attempt them as well. Okay, a blank answer you'll not get anything, but if you guess and if the guess becomes right, you'll get a mark. Okay, the sixth is transfer answers correctly and avoid spelling errors. Again, avoid spelling errors. Let's say you have written the word Austria only. Okay, so the correct spelling of Austria is Austria. Now I've seen many students write Austria as Auestria. Okay, this is wrong. Make sure that your spellings are correct. Only then your answer will be marked correctly. Okay. Seventh is leave no blanks and attempt all questions. Again, since the test has no negative marking, attempt all the questions. Okay, and make sure that you do not ponder on one question itself. Try to move your mind from that question to the next. Okay, one of the keys is to always hold your pencil and look for keywords. Okay, what are the keywords that have been spoken, and then move forward. Okay, and then you write your answer. Okay, don't put your pencil on a standstill. Okay, or don't think, oh, you can memorize that. Don't ever try to be cheeky. As soon as you listen to the word, answer it or write it. Okay, and that will help you a lot. So this was some IELTS listening tips. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button